Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting video. I know it's been a while since we posted a video, and I'm really sorry about that, but a lot has been going on behind the scenes which are tailored towards making you have the best experience on this our channel. So this video is just mainly me thanking you and in celebration of over 10k subscribers. I never imagined I'll be at this point at this moment in time. I think it's not been up to a year plus I went into YouTube full time, and I'm already here. So I owe it all to you guys. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and thank you for always checking back on my channel. Without you, this channel cannot function. So I'm just thanking you for the love and support. This is a huge milestone for us, and we're grateful to you guys all. In addition, in celebration of these 10k subscribers, we have some giveaways planned out for you guys. I know you must be excited about it, so you might want to stick around to the end of the video, so I will give you details of how the giveaway works and how you can participate in it as well. Also, if you notice, it's been a while we posted a video, over a month ago, and the reason for this is simply because I noticed a lot of comments in some of my videos where some of our subscribers complain about difficulty downloading resources we use in our videos due to the fact we use URL shortener. So we have been working tirelessly towards making that a better experience, and very soon we'll be launching a new platform where you can download our resources for free without having to go through any URL shortening app or whatsoever. So the app will be launched soon. The app has been taking up most of my time, which is why I haven't been able to post. We haven't been able to post any videos since. But to God be the glory, it's almost done. It's done already, but I'm yet to launch it, to officially unveil it to you guys. And a lot of work has been going on the background. Like if you check the description section of our popular videos, we have been incorporating the app, but officially we have not unveiled it yet, which we'll do in our next video. So the app was basically to help you to download our resources and also offer text-based tutorials. So if you are the type that learn from PDFs, articles, you can also follow along with our tutorial series. And in celebration of these 10k subs, we're also rebranding this channel to focus more on, want to rebrand the way we serve you. We are going to change our content. We're not really changing it per se, but we'll add some sort of series. I did a survey earlier this year about the possibility of doing a YouTube series on WordPress development, and yeah, this was the result from the poll. So I'm still working towards developing the WordPress series, but there has been a little glitch which we are still handling, but we're working on it, and once the series is live, we'll share it on our YouTube channel. So not to worry, we haven't forgotten about that part. And we also want to incorporate some sort of YouTube and finance videos where we show you how to make money online. So you can let me know in the comment section if you think that will be a good fit. So lastly, I want to come back to the giveaway I promised. The giveaway will be in two phases. I noticed some people were usually ask about the source file of some of our designs. I don't share it for personal reasons, but in celebration of 10k subs, we have decided to share most of our source files, and the link will be made available in the description section of this video. It has been uploaded to our drive folder, and these are all the files. We will show you how to add them to your own Pixellab app. So these are all of them, but the link it won't be in this video for now. To get it in this video, we'll still post it, but firstly you have to do us a favor. We are growing our business page on Instagram, so we will really appreciate it if each and every one of us can follow us on follow our Instagram page. This is our Instagram handle where we share most of our professional works. So once you follow us, you can comment down on this video, below this video. Just comment down below this video, and once we get like 50 to 100 done, we'll post the link to the PLP files. And this is how you activate them. First, you go to your file manager. After downloading them, you download the entire preset folder. Now, once you download this entire preset folder, it will contain all the PLP files. Then to use them, you can manually override yours, or you copy them individually and paste in your own Pixellab app folder. So this is the Pixellab. So all the resources should be posted in these presets folder. This is the folder you paste. So these are all mine, and these are the files that I will send to you guys. Most of them. Some are for my clients, and I am not allowed to share those. So I will share the ones we've been using on our YouTube in case anyone wants to download those. So another giveaway we're planning is we want to design 3 logos for 3 of our subscribers, and to participate in this tutorial, in this giveaway, just type in the name of the logo you want to design. If it's for your business, for your company, for your YouTube channel, just drop it in the comment section, and you have to invite your friends to come and like your comment. The comments with the highest likes, the top 3, that's the ones who will pick, and we'll design those logos and also upload them on our channel in case anyone wants to give that a watch. So that's basically it for the giveaways. First, we'll share our PLP files. The link will be posted after we've noticed some engagement with our Instagram and comments. And also, to participate in our logo design giveaway, just paste the name of your logo request in the comment section and invite your friends to subscribe to our channel, like your comments. The comments with the highest engagement, the top 3, that's the ones who will pick and who will design their logos for them. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned to our channel. A lot of updates coming in, and in another video I will do a run through of all the updates that will be rolling in our channel, and the official unveiling of our app, our web app and mobile app, where you can access our resources. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.